Hi everybody, welcome back, and I am excited to share with you my insect repellent by Young Living easy apply hack. I get these bottles on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the comments for you. I just want to show you how easy it is. You can see that we use ours. This bottle lasts us practically all mosquito season, and for us that's extra long because I live in Florida. So, it's very simple. You buy a bottle of Young Living's insect repellent. This is the best insect repellent on the planet, and I know. So, I'm going to show you. You fill it up about halfway with the insect repellent. And I live near the Everglades, is why I know. And I've tried making my own. I've tried many store brands. Nothing works better than Young Living. Okay, and then you fill the rest of the bottle up with witch hazel. It really helps emulsify the oils so that they are easily sprayed. This is so helpful because then you don't get it on your fingers or in your eyes accidentally. And the other reason I absolutely love this is because I can use this on my dogs. And when I tell you that my dogs suffer from the mosquitoes as much as we do, it is the truth. And so a light misting of this, and they are good to go. Good to walk around in our yard. We have a big yard with lots of foliage. So it just goes on like that, and I'm just going to show you. It just is, I shake it up. It's just a gentle mist. Okay, and just rub that in. The other way, if you just want to go somewhere quick, I don't know if you are familiar with the Thieves Spray, but once they're empty, we use them for other things. You can simply peel the label off like that. Okay, if you have your own label maker or a Sharpie. And again, half with the insect repellent, half with the witch hazel. It works so very well. It lasts and lasts and lasts. You'll see it does separate before you use it. You shake it up. And this label, I actually, again, just peeled the label off of my bottle, attached it to here. I keep it by the door. We go in and out, and just, it's a miracle. So, Young Living insect repellent, there's nothing else on the planet like it.